Daddy,
and
Kittens!
so let's watch the show.
Okay. Ooh, so exciting.
Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a house in the middle of the forest. In this house lives grandmother. She was very, very old and very, very sick. One day, she asked granddaughter to bring some food and medicine. Your grandmother is very, very sick, so we have to look after her.
Okay.
You have to give her some food and medicine.
Okay. Bye-bye. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, I see so many beautiful flowers. Pink, pink, pink.
Where are you going, girl?
I go into my grandmother's home because my grandmother is sick.
Oh, you're so good, girl. I want to be your friend. What is your name?
My name is Red Riding Hood.
Oh, my name is Angry T-Rex. So where your grandmother lives?
In the middle of the forest.
Oh, actually, I'm very busy. I have to go. See you.
See you.
It looks like house in the middle of the forest.
Door open. I go to check. Grandmother, how are you?
I'm very, very, very sick.
You have small hands.
Yes, because I'm very, very old.
You have big eyes.
Because I'm very, very sick.
You have big mouth.
Because I want to eat you. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo.
Oh, I hear strange sound. I go to check.
Oh, my belly. Help, help. Ah! Oh, thank you. You save us. You save us.
You're welcome.
After that, they live happily ever after.